In this episode of Success with Bomweti Show, I'm going to teach you the two types of L1 visas. Now, if you're out there and you don't really know what L1 visa is, L1 visa is a visa for intercompany transfer. Okay, now let's say, for example, my company Upstack America has main operations in Kenya and has a branch here in the US. Okay, that company can transfer employees from the Kenyan side to come and work here in the US. Okay, now if that happens, then those employees would get L1 visa. Okay, so L1 visa is for intercompany transfer. Okay, now there are two types of L1 visas. Okay, one is L1a visa. Okay, and the other visa is L1b Visa. Okay, now there's two distinctions between the two. Okay, now for L1a visa, that visa is given to those employees who want to transfer from one company to the other, but those employees must be executive or managers. Okay, now if those executives and managers are transferring from their country to come and start a startup, which is a subsidiary of the main company in their country, then they are given 1 year authorization of L1a visa. Okay, now if they are coming to an existing branch of their main company from their country, then they are given up to 3 years of authorization. Okay, now L1a visa can be extended up to 7 years. All right, so if it's an executive or managers who are coming here to start up a new branch, they are given up to 1 year. If they are coming here to an existing branch, they are given up to 3 years, and this visa can be extended up to 7 years. All right. Now, the other type of L1 visa is L1b Visa. Okay, now this visa is for those people who transfer between two companies, and these people have specialized knowledge or skills. All right, these are different from executives or managers. Okay, let's say, for example, someone like me who has great skills in robotics process automation. Okay, now if I was working for a company that is based out of Kenya, okay, and they have a new branch, they want to start up a new branch here in the US, then I would come in as an L1b visa holder. Okay, and if it's a startup, again, you are given 1 year of authorization. All right, and if it's an existing branch, so if you are transferring from a company that is in your country to a company that is already existing here in the US, a company that is basically a subsidiary of the company back in your country, then you're gonna get 3 years of authorization. All right, again, also, for this kind of visa, you can extend the visa and you can extend up to 5 years. Okay, so there's a big difference. For L1a visa, you can extend up to 7 years. For L1b visa, you can extend up to 5 years. Okay. You're watching Success with Bomweti Show, presented to you by Upstack America. Upstack America is a consulting company that helps immigrants find amazing higher education and job opportunities in the tech industry in the United States. You can find our programs by going to www.upstackamerica.com. Upstack America, we wake you up to the unlimited potential within you. Now, on to the question of the day. Someone asked me, hey Bob, is L1 visa a dual intent visa? Now, the answer is yes, L1 visa is a dual intent visa. Okay, if you follow me on my episodes of Success with Bomweti Show, I've talked about what is a dual intent visa. Okay, basically a dual intent visa is a visa that allows you to come here in the US temporarily, but you can also change your status to a permanent resident. Okay, now when you are going for that visa's interview at the US Embassy, you don't really have to prove that you have ties back to your country and that you will go back to your country once you are done with what you need to do here in the US. Okay, unlike, for example, the student visa, okay, or a visit visa. Okay, so L1 visa, just like H1b visa, is a dual intent visa. All right, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. You've been watching Success with Bob Mwiti Show, brought to you by Upstake America. Come back next time to hear more steps and missteps that I took on the path to becoming a successful immigrant in USA. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.